In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Grammarly Premium account as shared or group access. Let's dive right in and explore how you can efficiently share or manage a Grammarly Premium account with your team, making your writing experience collaborative and seamless. To get started, you'll want to open your web browser and visit the Grammarly website. Once you've arrived there, you'll want to locate the option that says Get Grammarly. This will direct you to the platform's main offerings where you can get more information on the premium services available. If you don't already have a Gmail account, you'll want to sign up for one, as it allows you to access a world of resources including Grammarly. Next, you'll spot the option that says I have an account. If you already have a Grammarly account, you can simply click on this button. Alternatively, if you're new to Grammarly, you'll want to choose the login option where you can set up your profile or enter any existing login details. Now, if you're logging in, you'll need to type in your email address. Make sure it's an email associated with your team or group so coordinating with others becomes more streamlined. After entering your email, click on Continue. This will take you to the main Grammarly interface. Now that you're inside Grammarly, it's time to navigate to the admin panel. This feature is typically available for business accounts and is essential for managing multiple users. Once in the admin panel, look for the tab labeled Account. You'll click on this to view the specifics of your current subscription and settings. In your account settings, you'll have the option to look at your subscription details and determine if you need to upgrade your plan to a business or enterprise tier to accommodate group access. Upgrading is straightforward. Simply choose the option that fits your group's needs best and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. Next, update the user's link to your account. This is where you can add colleagues or team members you wish to provide access to. Navigate to Invite Settings, where you'll find an option to ensure that only invited colleagues can join your account. This keeps your account secure and exclusive to those you want to include. With these settings in place, your Grammarly Premium account is now ready for effective group use. You'll be able to collaborate on projects, maintain consistency in writing, and make sure everyone in the group has access to all the premium features that Grammarly offers. By following these steps, you can transform your Grammarly Premium experience into a collaborative tool that enhances your team's writing and productivity.